Hello lovelies, it's your girl Abieyuwa and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well, and if you are new to my channel, don't go away without clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell down below. Making homestyle plantain chips is very quick, simple and easy. So today I'll be showing you how to make extremely tasty, crispy and highly addictive crunchy chili plantain chips that you can simply eat as a snack. All you need is unripe plantain, that is the green ones, salt to taste, ground dry pepper to make it spicy. You can also use black pepper if you don't have the red one available, and lastly your vegetable oil for frying. So let's get started. So we are going to start by cutting off both ends of the plantain. Then run your knife through the flesh of the plantain, creating a cut from the top to the bottom. Try not to cut too deep into the flesh. You just want to cut through the skin. If the plantain is too long, divide it into two halves before cutting it into thin slices. Now we are going to add our salt to taste. That's about half teaspoon. And we are going to add our ground dry pepper. So the quantity of pepper depends on you. If you want it very spicy, you add more. If you want it less spicy, you add a little bit of pepper in it. And then you stir it so it mixes properly. And next, we are going to preheat some vegetable oil, sufficient enough to fry the plantains. And then you add the plantains and fry them, stirring continuously until they become golden brown on both sides and crispy. Yay! Our plantain chips is ready. Can't you see how beautiful it looks? Anyways, now we are going to drain it in a large plate lined with paper towel. So guys, that's it. Make sure you try this extremely tasty and highly addictive crunchy chili plantain chips and thank me later. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up and share. You don't know whom I want to try this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next video. Bye.